Welcome to our channel. Today we how to make a Boost mobile payment online account method step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. Type boostmobile.com in the address bar and load the website. Click Sign In at the top of the page. Enter the phone number or username linked to your Boost mobile account. Type your account password carefully. Click Sign In to access your account dashboard. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link and reset it before continuing. From the dashboard, find the Billing, Payments, or Make a Payment section. Click Make a Payment to start the payment process. Check the amount due shown on the screen. Choose whether you want to pay the full balance or enter a different payment amount. If you enter a custom amount, type it slowly and double-check the numbers. Select your payment method, such as credit card, debit card, or bank account if available. If this is your first time, choose Add New Payment Method. Enter your card number exactly as it appears on the card. Fill in the expiration month and year. Type the CVV security code from your card. Enter the billing zip code that matches your card statement. If asked for a billing address, fill it in exactly and avoid abbreviations that do not match your bank records. Choose whether to save the payment method for faster payments next time. Review the payment summary, including amount, method, and account line details. Confirm the payment date, especially if you are scheduling it for later. Click Submit Payment, Pay Now, or Confirm to finalize the transaction. Wait for the confirmation screen to load and do not refresh the page during processing. Look for a confirmation number or receipt message showing the payment was successful. Take a screenshot or write down the confirmation number for your records. Check your account balance again to make sure the payment is posted or marked as pending. If the payment does not go through, verify your card details, available funds, and billing zip code. Then try again or contact Boost support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.